Hello, today I will show you how to see saved Wi-Fi networks on your Mac. So it is a really simple thing to do, and all you need to do is find system settings, open them, then click on Wi-Fi section, scroll to the very bottom and click on this advanced menu. Here you will see a label known networks. So these are all the networks that you have previously connected on. If we want to see a password from this network, we can click this three-dot menu and click copy password. So now we can paste anywhere and see this is the password. So this is the password for this network. That's all you need to do. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.